Alright guys, what's up? It's Skull003, and today we're going to be unboxing a phone case, because in case you didn't see my last video, I recently got the 14 Pro Max. Link in the description for that unboxing video. And I don't have like a great top-down viewing angle, so for now, I'm just going to be using just a knife and whatever I'm unboxing and just hold it in front of you. So let's open this up and let's see. So this is the Debrand grip case, because I've heard a lot of good things about grip. Did some research, did the unthinkable and went on Reddit and looked for some Reddit reviews, and a lot of people love it. Like, some people, they say they hate the texture, but the whole point of the texture is to be grippy. Oh wow, this is definitely very, very nice, like, cases. It's a very premium feeling, like it's just got a really nice, like, matte finish. Let's see, okay, so I ordered 2 tempered glass screen protectors with this, which added $20. So we'll see how that goes. Something on my knife. Okay. We'll put that over there for now. And now for the actual... I'm not even sure what this is, because it's not like a sticker, but it's weird. Check it out a bit later. Maybe it's like a glass cleaner, probably? Purchased. We knew you would. Delivered. You're welcome. Install. There's only one way. Alright, so... Oh my gosh. What the heck? It's like such a nice box. Like it just fit really nice around here. And you just pull it out. And it's a very, very solid feeling case. Like the kind of solid that you'd get from a dual layer case. Let me get my dad's dual layer case right here. So you have like the hard outer layer and the softer absorbent layer, and that's both of those combined, except it's even more premium feeling. That is crazy. And you've got the lip for the camera. I don't know how well you can see that, but it's got the lip for the camera and the lip around the edges and the lip around the screen. And then I got the seafoam green skin. I don't even know if I'm supposed to get this out, honestly. Okay. This is very, very nice skin for the case. So this is like a sticker. I just gotta... Where did I even put the case? Okay, I put it under. Alright, so I gotta apply this carefully. Hopefully I do this right. Okay. So I did not do it well at all. But there it is. And then there's another piece to it, which I don't know where I put that either. Did I drop it? Oh, I literally put it in front of me for the cameras. Alright, and then I got 2 tempered glass screen protectors. So let's look at those. Again, just very, very nice feel. It's like very soft magnets. Like once you close it, it has the littlest of resistance when you're trying to open it again. I love it. Okay, and then alright, so it has everything right here. It's got some stickers. And then the 2 screen protectors. Alright, so I was right. There is no cutouts, which makes the overall quality of them much better. And it's got like a really cool looking I don't even know what it called is. It's like, it's plastic, but like it looks really cool and it looks metallic. And it almost looks heavy to me, but that could just be me. And then there's a cool little looking cutout. And then this little sleeve, which holds all this stuff. These are very, very nice boxes. Like, this cost 75 bucks, but I didn't expect it to be this pleasant to unbox. So, wow. Alrighty then, so I'm actually gonna try and put the case on my phone now. Let's see. And they're also big on advertising their clicky buttons. Okay, so this definitely like feels very, very nice. Like the textures on the sides, like it feels really nice. I can reach over across the screen with one hand and be confident. It's a very good looking case. Like, besides my terrible job of putting on the actual sticker, like it's a very, very nice looking case. Yeah, so the lip covers around the edge of the screen. And the lip also covers around the edge of the camera and around the edge of the back. So, let's show the buttons. Oh my gosh. One of their big advertisements was how clicky the buttons are. That is satisfying. I don't know if you can hear that. Let me see. Oh, that is amazing. And then it says it has MagSafe, and I don't have any way to test that because I don't have any MagSafe accessories. Still working on that, still saving up. Stay tuned for those accessory unboxings though. But yeah, so far this has been a very pleasant experience. Now I like to use my phone uncased for it to be cool for battery health reasons. And so honestly, my other case was way easier to take off, but this isn't like all that bad. Like, it's overall pretty easy to put on and take off, and it's a very snug fit. Yeah, there's the little thing, the line and the magnets. But yeah, literally just besides the sticker, you can still kind of see like the imprint of the grip. Alright, so I'm gonna go to their website and I'm gonna install the screen protector, and then I'll be back. Alright, so it's time for installation of the screen protector. Miraculously, my sister got this part done. So this looks really nice. I don't know how well you can see that. That looks really nice. I'm super excited about that. And then the case also looks very nice. So, very awesome. I'm super excited. And I just hope I hope I do this right. Alright, well, that's my phone case and stuff, I guess. The bubbles, like, they're not super noticeable. See, is that on the outside or on the inside? I can't tell. Definitely want to redo it, but I'll just deal with it because I don't want to redo it. But yeah, so that's the case and that's the screen protector. So that's all done. I guess I see you guys on the next one. Alright, a few things. One, this is being shot in cinematic mode, which I definitely am going to do further testing on. Video coming up soon. And second, I forgot to mention something in my video. So, I said a lot of people don't like the texture. I even did a little survey with my family. They don't really like the texture, but I personally think it feels good. The back feels really good. It almost, like, it doesn't quite feel as good as the matte does, personally, but like it has like a very secure feel, I guess you would say, because of how tough the case is. And then the sides, they're a little bit weird, but like they're micro textured, so I don't know how well you'll be able to see that, but yeah, so they're micro textured, and then they have these like super duper grippy things on the sides, so when you're holding the phone, it's just very, very just nice. So yeah, and also I'm gonna be making a video on action mode, so stay tuned for that. So make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can find out when that happens. But until then, see you guys.